Good morning students. Today again we have to see chapter 4 integers. Our topic is addition and subtraction of integers. Now see same sign of integers. Here same sign of integers means plus 5 plus 1 is equal to what? And minus 5 minus 1 is equal to what? So we have to solve this one. So same sign means we have to do addition. We have to do addition. Where we have to do addition? When same sign of integers are given. So 5 plus 1, what is the answer? 6. And always we have to put bigger number sign in answer. Always put bigger number sign in answer. So bigger number is 5 and 5 is having plus sign. So plus 6 is our answer. Same minus 5 minus 1. So again what we have to do? Addition. 5 plus 1 6. And always put bigger number sign in answer. So bigger number is 5 and 5 is having minus sign. So here what is the answer? Minus 6. Same here, different sign of integers. So here 1 is plus and 1 is minus. Plus 5 minus 1. So here what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So 5 minus 1 4 and always put bigger number sign in answer. So bigger number is 5. 5 is having plus sign. What is the answer? Plus 4. Same here, minus 5 plus 1. Again here also what we have to do? Subtraction. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 and always put bigger number sign in answer means minus 4. It means same sign of integers we have to do addition and different sign of integers we have to do subtraction. And in answer we have to put always bigger number sign. Always put bigger number sign in answer. Now see, if before bracket there is plus sign. Before bracket if there is plus sign. As condition plus 5 plus in bracket plus 1. So here bracket, before bracket what is the sign? Plus sign. So how we have to solve? So plus 5, here inside sign will be no change. Bracket inside sign will be no change. Plus 1 means we have to write plus 1. So plus 5 plus 1 6 and bigger number sign. So plus 6 is the answer. Bigger number is 5 to plus sign we have to write. Here also before bracket there is the plus sign. So inside sign will be no change. So plus 5 and what is the inside sign? Minus 1. So 5 minus 1 4 and bigger number sign is plus. That is your answer. It means before bracket if there is plus sign, inside sign will be no change. Now same here, before bracket if there is minus sign, so plus 5 minus bracket plus 1. So plus 5, here inside sign will be changed. Plus 1 is given now, so we have to write here minus 1. Because minus plus will become minus. So 5 minus 1, 4 and bigger number is 5. To what is the sign? Plus sign. So plus 4 is the answer. Here plus 5 minus in bracket minus 1 is given. To plus 5 minus minus plus 1. So 5 plus 1 6 and bigger number is 5 to plus sign we have to write. It means before bracket if there is minus sign, so inside sign will be change. Before bracket if there is plus sign, inside sign will be no change. before bracket if there is minus sign, so inside sign will be change. Now see exercise 4.1, question number second, find the sum. First one is 1531 comma bracket in bracket minus 503. The solution, find the sum. Sum means add. To 1531 in the place of comma we have to write here plus sign, then in bracket minus 503. Now before bracket if there is plus sign, to inside sign will be no change. To 1531 minus 503. Before bracket if there is plus sign, to inside sign will be no change. Now we have to do minus only. So 1 minus 3 not happen. To 11 minus 3 8, and we have borrowed here, so it will become 2. To 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus, there is no number, so here 1 will come. So 1028 is the answer. Here bigger number is 1531, there is a plus sign, so we can put here plus 1028 is the answer. Now see second one, minus 55 comma minus 211. So minus 55 in the place of comma we have to write here plus sign, then in bracket minus 211. Now minus 55, open the bracket, before bracket there is a plus sign, so inside sign will be no change, so minus 211 we have to write. Now both are having same sign, so what we have to do? We have to do addition. So 5 plus 1 6, again 5 plus 1 6, and here 2 is remaining, to write 2, and always put bigger number sign. Bigger number is 211 and there is the sign of minus, so minus 266 is the answer. Now see question number third, 117 comma minus 81. To 117 in the place of comma we have to write plus sign, and in bracket we have to write minus 81. Now 117 we have to open the bracket, but before bracket what is the sign? Plus sign. So inside sign will be no change, so minus 81. Now 7 minus 1 6, and 11 minus 8 3. So 36 is the answer. Here bigger number is 117. So which having plus sign, no sign means plus sign. So we have to write here plus 36. Minus 18, comma means plus 172. Now 1 is plus and 1 is minus, different sign. So what we have to do? Subtraction. So 2 minus 8 not happen. So 12 minus 8 4, and 7 will become 6. So 6 minus 1 5, and 1 is remain to 1. So plus 154 is the answer. How we have done this all? We have done by this all, by this same sign of integer, different sign of integer, before bracket if there is a plus sign, before bracket if there is a minus sign. So you have to understand it properly and keep in mind. Then only you can able to solve the questions. Now question number third, fill in the blanks with the sign smaller than, equal to or greater than. First one is 8 plus minus 3 bracket box, fill in the blanks minus 3 plus 8. So here we have to solve both sides and we have to see which side is bigger, smaller or equal. So 8 before bracket what is the sign? Plus sign. So no, inside sign will be no change. So minus 3 we have to write minus 3, same. Now 8 minus 3 5. Now minus 3 plus 8, both having different sign, so we have to do subtraction. तो -3 + 8 subtraction 8 - 3 5 and bigger number sign 8 is plus sign to +5. Here is no sign also plus. No sign means plus. So +5 + 5 both are equal. So we have to put here equal to sign. Now question number second, -28 + 25. Both integers having different sign. So we have to do minus. 28 - 25 3. And always put bigger number sign. Bigger number is 28. So 28 is having minus sign. So -3 is the answer. Now -25 + 28. Again both having different sign. So 28 - 25 3. And always put bigger number sign in answer. The bigger number is 28 and what is the sign? Plus sign. So +3. One is -3 and one is +3. So always positive numbers are bigger than negative number. Always positive integers are bigger than negative integers. So +3 is bigger. So open the mouth of towards the +3. Now see question number third, -4 + 0. Whatever we are doing plus or minus by any integers, answer will be same. -4 is the answer. Here 4 + 0 4. So again which is bigger? Always positive number is bigger. 4 means +4 is there and there is a -4. So this one is bigger. So +4 is bigger. Now 0 + 9, 9 + 0, 0 + 9, 9, 9 + 0, 9. Which is bigger? Both are equal. To equal to sign we have to put. Now question number 5, 25 plus bracket plus 25. To 25 before bracket there is a plus sign, so no change in inside sign. To plus 25. 25 + 25 50 and 25 + 25 minus in bracket -25. To before bracket there is a minus sign. So inside sign will be changed. -25 will become +25. To 25 + 25 50. Here is also +50 and here is also +50. Both are equal. To equal to sign we have to put. Now 208 plus 53. 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 6 and 2 is here. And 208 minus 53, 8 minus 3 5 and 20 minus 5 15. Which is bigger? 261 is bigger. Now one more question from my side. If there is 0 and in another side there is -9. Now which is bigger? 0 is bigger. 0 is bigger than negative integers or negative numbers. है ना? And 0 and there is +9. So which is bigger? +9 is bigger. Positive numbers are always bigger than 0. Here 0 is bigger than always negative number and positive numbers are always bigger than 0.